Welcome to Weekly View on Markets. Nifty is up by 1.69%. Bank Nifty was up by 2.36% during this week. Mid and small cap sectors consolidated with positive bias. Technical charts are at support levels. Chart structure and price action indicates buying support at lower levels. Continued FII selling keeps the market under pressure. Many companies declared good results in this week, and we have seen stock specific action due to the results. Market has given a neutral response to the union budget. There was no major upside or major downside. So this is a good indicator, and government has kept the policy continuation in the budget. I have discussed the sectors that those sectors to be focused in the coming months due to the boost from the Indian budget. Investors can look at quality stocks from these such sectors. SIP investors have a great opportunity to increase their SIP investment due to the tax cuts and create wealth in the long term. When I speak to many of the investors, they say that I don't have money at present to invest. These tax cuts gives a good opportunity. Whatever you are saving from the income tax, I suggest that you plan and invest that in mutual fund SIPs for the long term, and you will create phenomenal wealth in coming years. Now let us look at market levels during this week. Nifty closed at 23,482 with a gain of 390 points, that is 1.69%. Bank Nifty closed at 49,506 with a gain of 1,139 points, that is gain of 2.36%. Many banks declared their results. The results were quite good. That is why we have seen Bank Nifty, which has fallen the most during correction in last 2 weeks, has gained the most during this week. So this shows that there is a buying support at more levels. Mid cap index gained 223 points. It has gained about 0.42%. It consolidated during this week, closed at 53,486. Small cap index closed at 16,979, just a gain of 24 points. India VIX has cooled off by more than 15%. So there was a lot of volatility built into the India VIX due to the coming budget. Now the budget session is over, and there was a special session of trading on Saturday. After the budget, the India VIX has cooled off and it is at 14.09. Now let us look at performance of various sectors. Realty sector has gained the most. It has gained by 11.59% during this week. Auto sector has gained by 5.12%. FMCG sector gained by 4.15%. NBFCs gained by 2.92%. Private bank gained by 2.84%. Consumer durables, PSU banks, manufacturing all gained more than 1%. Information technology lost about 3.43%. Pharma sector, media, metals, healthcare, ESG, commodities all lost around 1 to 2%. The advancing and declining number of sectors and the number of stocks were almost equal during this week. So So market is consolidating at the support level. Now let us look at charts. This is a daily chart of Nifty. I have drawn the support line. Nifty has taken support at around 22,800, and from there it has gone up, presently closed at 23,482. So next week will be crucial. If Nifty picks up from these levels, if it crosses 24,000, then the trend will turn bullish. Markets have given a neutral reaction to the budget on Saturday. They have neither gone up significantly nor they have dropped significantly. So it is a neutral reaction. Mm, Market is trying to digest the outcome of the budget and its impact on various sectors. We will see a deciding directional move in the coming week. This is the chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index has taken support at around 52,000 levels, and from here it has now closed at 53,486. I will be bullish when it crosses this level, that is 55,300. And next week there is RBI policy, and if RBI cuts the rates, that will be the trigger. This is the daily chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index dropped to around 16,000 levels. It has taken support, and now it has moved to 16,979. Based on the technical charts, the small cap index has to cross 18,000 level, then charts will turn bullish. Based on the budget announcements and RBI meeting next week, markets will take a clear direction. This is a chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index at present is at the resistance level. It has taken the support at around 48,000, and from there it has pulled back. Now it is facing, earlier also it faced resistance at these levels. So it is at the resistance level. If it crosses this resistance and if it goes above 51,750, then chart will turn bullish. I will have a bullish view on Bank Nifty. And RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting in the next week will be the deciding factor for the banks. And based on that, the Bank Nifty index is expected to take a clear direction. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic and market fundamentals. RBI forex reserves is at 629.5 billions. It is down by 5.5 billions during this week. Foreign exchange rate is at 86.61 and dollar index is at 108.5. So there is continued demand for dollars all over the world. That is why we see a weakening in Indian rupees also. Brent crude price is at $76.5 per barrel. This is a good level for crude price. If crude price remains below $80 per barrel, that will be good for Indian economy. It will help to to keep the inflation low, and also we can expect good performance from oil marketing. Gold price has surged from around 78,000 level. It has gone up to 82,100 for 10 grams 24 carat. FIIs have sold 19,621 crore during this week. Last three successive week they have been selling more than 20,000 crores, and this FII selling has been a pressure point for markets. Our DIIs have bought 20,471, slightly higher than the FII selling. They have matched FII selling. That is how market is kept at the support level, preventing it from falling further. DII investment is holding the market against FII selling. Next week, Monetary Policy Committee meeting is there, and market is expecting a rate cut in this policy committee meeting. If the rate cut comes through, then we'll see a big trigger for the market. We'll see a big move. And first week of the month is quite heavy on data, monthly data like GST collection, auto sales, PMI data, all will be coming in next 2 to 3 days, which will give a clue to the market direction in the coming week. We have looked at the charts, they are at support levels. Coming week is crucial for the market direction. Budget was announced on Saturday, that is yesterday. Lot of analysis people have given on TV channels and various other media. I don't want to go into the numbers. Just I am trying to highlight some of the sectors where there are investment opportunities. One good thing about budget is that it is sticking to the fiscal consolidation path. The fiscal deficit is kept under 5% of GDP, and continuation of the policy reforms for growth in the economy. These are the very good points from the budget, which is going to help in growth of GDP, and if the fiscal deficit is kept under check, that will bring down the inflation. Also, it will improve India rating by various international agencies, which will be quite good for our economy. Lot of foreign investment will come into Indian industries if our credit rating is good. It will be good when we keep fiscal deficit under check. That is what government has been doing. It is a quite good budget with with respect to continuation of the policies and fiscal consolidation. Boost to consumption has been given by raising the income tax limits for salaried class and middle income households. Also, government is coming with a new tax code next week. So both these things are going to put a lot of money into the hands of the consumers, and this is expected to drive the consumption in the Indian economy. That will help to boost the GDP growth. Boost has been given to MSME sector, tourism sector, travel and transport sector, agricultural sector in the budget. Various packages have been announced. Investors can look at these sectors, that is consumption sector, FMCG, as well as discretionary consumption, is likely to go up. Good companies in those sectors provide a investment opportunity. Auto sector, consumer durable sector, healthcare sector, agricultural sector companies, agri-based companies, travel and transport companies, tourism and hotel industry. All these are likely to provide good investment opportunity for investors based on the budget outcome, budget allocation. But having said that, all companies in that sector may not do well. Investors have to pick the quality companies with good corporate governance and sound financial fundamentals. And as I have told, SIP investors have a great opportunity. The mutual fund investors, either they can invest whatever they save from income tax that can be put into the lump sum investments, or even if it is better that you plan and do a SIP investment every month from next financial year, which is going to give very good returns in the long term. Government is committed to improve the standard of living of the people, improve the GDP growth of our economy. When these things happen, the stock markets will give very good returns. They will keep going up. So that is a great opportunity for retail investors. And finance minister has given money in your hands. Make use of those savings and invest in mutual funds and do SIP investment. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions. We will meet again next week. Thank you.